Welcome to my channel HVAC for you. In this video, I am going to tell what you should check when you go on a site. Let us start. Before starting the work on site, we must visit the site so that we come to know whether it is good for execution or not. We should not start work without prior site inspection. Otherwise, we will face a lot of problems at the time of execution. This will lead to material and manpower losses and ultimately client dissatisfaction. So I request all engineers to visit site beforehand. We will see what are the points to be checked during site visit. Friends, these are the points to be checked during the site visit. Suitable AC system selection, outdoor unit location, indoor unit location, refrigerant copper pipe route checking, condensate drain pipe route checking, feasibility of duct installation, scope of unloading of machine. We are going to discuss each point in detail. First point is suitable AC system selection. If you are visiting a site for the first time and drawing is not finalized yet, then decide the system first. System means VRF system or individual DX system or chiller system. Out of these systems, you will have to determine which system is suitable for client in terms of budget and installation. Then suggest proper system to client accordingly. Second point is outdoor unit location. Once system is finalized, now check for outdoor unit location. Check whether all outdoor units can be properly placed or not. Check whether there is sufficient space available around outdoor units for air circulation. If proper air circulation is not there, cooling issues may arise in future. Also check whether outdoor unit location is feasible in terms of servicing point of view. Ask for MS railings for outdoor units wherever needed. Outdoor unit location should select in such a manner that minimum copper pipe can be utilized. Third point is indoor unit location. Now you have to check whether indoor units can be properly installed or not. If split AC is there, ask for wooden boxing wherever required. If ductable AC or fans are there, then ask for trapdoor wherever required. Next point is copper pipe route check. Now find the best route for copper pipe with minimum ups and downs. This will save a lot of money and thereby increases system efficiency. We will go to the next point. Drain pipe route check. Mistakes in condensate drain pipe installation lead to brain drain of contractor, architect and client. So drain pipe installation should be done with the utmost care. Check you are getting proper slope for drain. Otherwise, suggest drain pump there. Try to locate nearest drain point such as toilet, basin, rainwater pipe, etc. We will see the next point. Feasibility of duct installation. I request all site engineers to carry measurement tape, one copy of final BOQ without rates and one copy of approved drawing. Check whether duct will pass or not. Note down ceiling height, slab bottom, beam bottom, column capitals, fire pipe bottoms. After getting all these heights, you will come to know that what maximum height you are getting for HVAC service work. Next point is scope of unloading of machines. Dear site engineers, you are doing your work and suddenly one day machines arrive at your gate. You have to unload the same, and this is where Mathadi comes into scope. Mathadi is a community of people who unload material at most of the site. I just want to tell to site engineers and project managers to get it clear who is going to pay Mathadi, your company or client itself. Please get it cleared in advance to avoid headache in future. So these are some of the points to be checked at the time of visit. Friends, hope you like my video. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. Please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Bye friends.